shooting this video to show the starting problems, the non-starting issue that I have, and exactly the way that I start it, the starting sequence from sitting in the chair to lowering the bar to going through its startup sequence. I did think that the oil was low in the hydraulics because when I had gotten it, the cap was off of the hydraulic fill line. But when I leveled up the machine, before I'd actually bought some oil, some case oil to fill it back up because I thought maybe there was a leak. But apparently there is no leak. I still have droop from the lift cylinders, just very slightly, but it's not leaking anywhere that I could see. And I've looked through the back as best I can tell. I've replaced the battery. I put another battery in, and I've got the original one out trying to get charged right now. But the new battery that I put in there, it hasn't made any difference. So I've done everything as far as I know, and from what I've talked to the prior owner about. So now I want to show you what it does when you try to start the thing and get it going. So let me get in here. Okay, so when I sit in the seat, it seems like that switch is being made. The lap bar indicator is still on. So I'm going to push the lap bar down. So that's working correctly. 788.7 hours. I got it at 788 or 788.1 or something. I made it luckily to the my barn to be able to store this thing. So when we try to start it, oh, one thing I did notice was that the throttle from the instructions should be about 25 mm or an inch up. So I'm going to do that per their instructions. Turn the power. I get a 1051 error code, then a 9153 right off the bat. So if I cycle through, then I get a 1905, 1906, 1051, and back to the hour reading. But try to start it. Sometimes it'll start, but it's just hit or miss. And if you listen, you'll hear a couple of solenoid clicks when I hit start. First one seemingly coming down from my right hip area, somewhere in this area, and the other one coming in from this solenoid down here that I checked all those, and that was filthy. Got that all cleaned up. So we'll try to adjust the throttle. Sometimes we'll sit up and down on the seat a little bit. Sometimes it'll get it going, but I'm getting nothing. So unless you guys see anything that I'm doing incorrectly, this thing needs to go to the shop and get fixed.